Hi guys, this is Nice Matondo's channel. I'm back guys with another video. We're here guys, we're gonna do the parallel parking, the code 8 car. So I'm about to show you how you do the parallel parking on the code 8. And yeah, stay tuned guys for more info. Now she's doing a reverse. Now she's wanting to make sure that her car is gonna get into these poles. Now what she does, she stops on this line. There's a line that we made, featured by that line. She must do the full swing on her right so that she could see the poles on that side, on the mirror. That side guys. So she's using this mirror guys to stop on this poles. On this mirror guys, you gotta see all of the poles guys. Gotta see all of them. You gotta see all of the poles guys so that you would know where to stop and where to control your car. So you make sure guys that when you do your parallel parking, you're sure of everything that you do. And then after that, she puts her tires straight, and then she's gonna make sure that she aligns with this. She's gonna make sure that she aligns with this pole. And then after she's sure that she's aligned with this pole, she's gonna do the full swing on her left. You're perfect. Nice. She's gonna do a full swing on her left, and then the car's gonna get in perfectly. Nice. So here guys, it's the demonstration on how you can park your car on a side parking, on a parallel parking guys. So here she is, like she just did it nicely. So guys, make sure when you do your parallel parking, you balance everything. You balance your clutch, you balance your everything. So this is a parallel parking on our right side. So she's wanting to do the parallel parking on the side so that she knows how to park on the sides. Do you know when you go to the streets where you find the cars parking on the sides? There, we do this for here so that you know where to park your car and how to park it on the parallel parking. So she's doing it again. So as much as guys, she's trying to make sure that she's balancing her car, you gotta make sure that you steady your clutch guys so that you know your clutch. Nice. It's okay, your car is okay. This is this. Your car is okay.
Oh, it's okay.
Yeah, your car is cool. You can do the full swing, then you do it 1.5. Nice. She's doing it again. Yeah. First things first, what she needs to do, she's gonna go and step over this line. This line will ensure her that she can do the full swing on her right. And then she's gonna look over that side on her left mirror and then look at the poles. All of them, they must appear on the mirror. All of them, and then when they appear, you stop. After they appear, guys, you stop immediately. After you stopped, you put your tires straight. After you put your tires straight, guys, you make sure that you align with this pole, guys. The first pole on your right side. You align with it so that your car could get in nicely without crashing other cars. So you make sure, guys, when you do the parallel parking, you balance your clutch. You make sure that you balance it nicely. Good. Now she's putting her tires straight, and then she's gonna align with this pole when she reverse, just to make sure that she's okay. Sorry for that. Nice. Okay, I think we're too close here, but let's see. Let's go. Let's start over again. Nice. Make sure, guys, you be sure of what you're doing every time. Don't force it up. When you see that the car does not get in, you start all over again, and then you do the right thing. Nice. Okay, guys, I'm gonna finish up this video here so that I could like teach my client nicely. I'll catch you on another video, guys. Stay tuned. I'm gonna show you the parallel parking on your left side. Now we're doing the right side, so I'm gonna do another video where we do our left side. Nice. This is Nice Matondo on Nice Matondo's channel. Stay tuned, guys.